One of the reasons on why I come to Dubai is that because there are a lot of people that are in crypto. You can learn from them, you can teach them, and you can make business relationships. I was sitting right here and close to the Palm in Dubai in one of the bars, and this gentleman came to me, Aksen, and he presented himself. He has a big Twitter account, he has a decent following, and he speaks about different projects.
Yes.
So yeah, you can tell a couple of what
Yes. My name is Ahsan, but I'm from Crypto AI. This is my Twitter account.
We will put this link in the description down below. So if you want to visit Aksan's link and check what he's working on, you can check the link in the description down below.
Yes, I have more than 72,000 followers. I do teach people just about some good projects like HBAR, Algo, Cardano, and Ripple. I only talk about fundamental. I share only news about some good projects. So check me out. And also, thank you so much for giving me some time. Thank you so much.
Obviously, thanks, man. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, brother.
And guys, this is the beauty actually of coming to different kind of events, because you can meet different people and you might even end up working with them. You might exchange contacts and learn from each other. Basically, that's one of the reasons why I go to Dubai from time to time. Now, you know, Dubai is not my favorite place. I like to travel to different places because basically as a trader, if you follow the right strategy, you can trade from whatever you want. But if you're in Dubai, you can also enjoy this beautiful view. Isn't it impressive? Oh, look at these lights. This is definitely impressive. Now, it's beautiful. Now, it's also about 6 p.m. So that's why I'm sitting at one place and I'm not moving too much because the traffic here, it is crazy. It is very complicated. What's happening in the market and what happened in the market today? If you have been today on a crypto exchange or CoinMarketCap, you've seen that cryptos today are going up. But I want to say that it's one danger. There is something happening in the chart. Cryptos are approaching their 3-day cycle top. On this chart, you can see your favorite XRP chart. I know XRP community, you'll love my videos and you comment on every single XRP video. So comment down below what you think about my XRP analysis. But I want to say something. I want to say something dangerous about XRP. XRP is approaching the 3-day cycle top. Yes, guys, you see this pink line right here? I'm just showing that it was going up. So XRP had a very positive move actually. If we're talking about the last few weeks, yes, we bounced from the zone of, let me check right here, $1.7. We actually went up to $2.3. It's basically something similar to what I said in my previous video. If you have seen my XRP video, I said that we are going to go up for a little while. Also, we had a buy signal on my indicator. You know what to do. If you want to follow my indicators, if you want to apply them to the charts, you go to this website right here. The lighting is missing here. strategymaster.io. Register for the newsletter and you will get access to the indicators, the ones that I've shown you right now in the chart. And yeah, guys, this is approaching the top. It is not good. Now, what I mean by not good? What I mean is that, look at this 3-day cycle. It is actually now slightly reversing. Meaning that most probably we're going to have one more shot up. We're going to have one more shot up because the 1-day cycle, the 12-hourly cycle did this beautiful figure, basically it went to the 80. Now it's coming back to 20 and it's reversing. Now most probably we're going to go to the 80s once again and we're going to reverse to the downside. And XRP is going to start its bearish leg. Now, how can I know that XRP is going to start its bearish leg? Because every single time when the 3-day cycle indicator reverses and starts going down, the currency or any financial asset, basically, it decrements in value or it starts consolidation phase. It happened multiple times before during bearish and bullish periods. For example, here, we reached kind of a cycle top, 3-day cycle top, and we went down before we started to go up. Same happened before. If you look here, here we actually broke the cycle. We didn't even reach 80, but we reached 80 here. At the beginning of the year, we reached 80 right here on the 3-day cycle. It was a perfect sell condition. After that, we start going down. That usually happens when a 3-day cycle reaches the top, and then we see a couple of weeks, maximum 2 to 3 weeks, consolidation phase or a bearish condition. This is not where you want to hold the coins. Here, you don't want to hold the coins. You want to buy here when you have a buy signal, but when your 3-day cycle is at the top, right here, or right here, you don't want to be buying. So if you're thinking about buying XRP right now, I would abstain. I would not buy XRP right now. I would definitely not buy. This is not the right time to buy. If you hold something, well, that's wonderful. All you have to do is wait for a sell signal, or in other words, you have to wait until the 12-hourly cycle, like this one, will reach the top. It might happen when the XRP will reach $2.5 or maybe $2.6. This I cannot tell you. But what I can tell you, it will happen within around 1 week right here. But what's happening with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to break $100,000 and smash the all-time highs right now? I want to jump right into the chart to show you what is going on with Bitcoin. Here we are on the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, the situation here is quite similar to the one that we had with XRP. The 3-day cycle is reaching the top. The 12-hourly cycle is kind of going to the top as well. Look, the top is when we reach 80. Here is the top basically. When I say that we are reaching the top, we are going above 80. So for example, here, once we went above 80 and we reversed, we then had a consolidation phase. So we waited until the 12-hourly cycle resetted. Right here, we see this green line, and we could enter once again. This is the same thing. If you entered, wait until the 12-hourly cycle, it's going to go up, it's going to reach 80, and it's going to reverse somewhere here, and then you sell. That's basically how you trade. Now, based on these two cycle indicators, I cannot answer the question whether we are going to smash the all-time highs right now or not. But what I can do, I can actually load a 1-week cycle and the 2-week cycle indicator, which are identifying the long-term trend of Bitcoin. If you take a look at this chart, at the bottom of the screen, we see 1-week cycle slowly going up, reaching the top, while the 2-week cycle just started to reverse. And that's actually the good news. And the good news is, yes, we're overbought in the short term and 3-day cycle indicator, but we are oversold on the 2-week cycle indicator. And the 2-week cycle indicator, this one, shows us the long-term development of Bitcoin. So we can actually expect a very positive reaction from the market within the next weeks and months to come. Yes, guys, this is when you actually want to go into the market and you want to participate into the market. You have to wait for buy signals. You have to apply the cycle indicator that I'm showing in my screen. And guys, if you don't know, if you're still not applying cycle indicator, do it as fast as possible. You can just go to strategymaster.io. You'll find the link in the description down below. Subscribe for the newsletter, get your cycle indicators, and apply to the chart. Guys, I have to finish this video. I'm going to the Atlantis Royale that you can see right here just in front of me. I'm trying to zoom in right now. It's one of the most expensive and most beautiful hotel in Dubai. There's another crypto event by CoinW, a crypto exchange. Before that, I want to tell you that, hey, if you want to get the job in crypto or you want to connect with people in the crypto space, I recommend to go to these crypto cities that are like Singapore, Dubai, Berlin, and check what is the next conference going on. Being in Dubai during the Token2049, give me the chance to connect with other traders and influencers. And if you want to do exactly the same, you want to connect with traders, you want to learn trading strategies, or maybe you even want to get a job in crypto, you want to get hired, come during the conference days. There is a very high possibility to meet someone super randomly in the bar or even at the conference hall that will speak to you, will understand you, or basically have common goals as you into a crypto space. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.